Welcome back to part 3 of this unboxing review. Like I said, you gotta look for, in a survival situation, shelter, fire, food, water. Watch out for predators. Watch out for poisonous insects and plants and stuff. You gotta look for medicinal medicine if you do get hurt and stuff. You're not gonna be in a situation that you're gonna be worried about. Oh man, I didn't have food to eat for 2 days. I just feasted on a fish or a little crab or some ants or a maggot or a grub or whatever you found on the forest. Because if you look at these survival shows, there is some stuff that they do eat, you know, out there in, the wild. You're not going to be like, oh man, I need to, use my toothpaste on my toothbrush, brush my teeth after eating that grub, and, a couple of those little ants and stuff, and grasshopper. Oh, gotta floss, gotta use my toothpick. No, you're like, no, I'm looking for, send help. I'm stuck in this situation. Get me out of this situation. That's what your mind set. That's where your body has to be set. That's where you have to be thinking. None of this, oral hygiene stuff. No, you're like, F it. I need protein. I need food. I need energy. I need fuel. I need to get somewhat a halfway decent night's sleep. I need to be warm or cool down depending on the situation where you're at. I need fire to see, to cut stuff, to try to keep predators away and stuff. That's what you're going to be worried about in a survival situation. So, like I said, that's why, for a couple of days, I did not brush my teeth. I didn't do any oral hygiene. I made sure that I ate some food that, would really get stuck in between my teeth, like pieces of meat, like from some ribs. Because I tried to go somewhat, still within, my home and house, into a survival situation, without actually going out to a forest and trying to get lost for a week. And then say, oh hey, I've been lost for a week. Here's my YouTube video journal. Nah, none of that BS. But you know what I mean, right? Yeah, and so that's why I wanted to see, how would this toothpick hold? Is it going to clean teeth, or is it better just to take a branch, cut the branch, smash it against the wall, and just rub that against your teeth? Or you could take your little old knife here, cut yourself a little branch, and whittle it down into a nice little toothpick. You know what I'm saying? Well, of course you know what I'm saying, because I just said it to you. But you get what I mean. Knife, completely garbage. Screwdrivers, maybe be halfway decent. Bottle, maybe decent. Can't opener. But I mean, if you're in a survival situation, what are you going to find? Ooh, look! There's a bush. It has SpaghettiOs in there. Oh boy, there's a tree and it has baked beans on it. No, come on, get real. You ain't gonna find out no forest or jungle type of survival desert situation. So the can opener, nah. That's why I was like, okay, well, at least, let's go ahead and have fingers crossed, high hopes, the toothpick. Toothpick's like the best thing on here, the only thing on here that I say it's great. Maybe the screwdrivers. Don't know about the bottle opener and the can opener. I'm gonna say, go get some other type of can opener. Go get like a P38 type of can opener. Or if you can't get a P38, there is another type of can opener that somewhat comes close to a P38, something like this, which is not exactly a 2 P38, but it's close enough, which I feel that this is going to be way better than any can opener on that. Yeah. So yeah, you're basically paying $20 for one plastic toothpick. The tweezers, I had somewhat of a halfway hope on the tweezers, but the tweezers were a bit let down. So let's get into the survival pamphlet, which they taped it, and see just how good this is. Pretty much, if you're in a survival situation, what's the first rule? Don't get in the survival situation. That's the best thing. Yeah. But here, like rescue, like location, Sino, use like a mirror, build a signal fire, navigation with a stick, watt, sun. I guess that's a witch watch, yeah, in the sun. Highlight quit Wayne, jewel trap, a solar still. Here, food, preparation, starvation, alternate options. Hey, Tom's starting to look real good. And not in that type of way. Maybe, a little Tommy on the fire. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Tony kebabs. Yum. You know, a little bit of cannibalism. Because like I said, alternate options, you know. Here, like shelters, lean-to, A-frame, snow pit. Actually, I never seen the snow pit. That one's a little different to me. I mean, lean-tos. I've seen lean-tos, A-frames, a sheet shelter, but the snow pit, yeah, and a tree pit. I mean, I would probably go with the snow pit than a tree pit. Like your different types of knots, figure 8 knot and figure 8 loop knot, Bowie knot, probe hitch, drill and bow, fire saw, car battery. But I mean, really, who's going to be lugging around a car battery in a survival situation? Obviously, you're like, well, you know, if you break down somewhere in your car, well, wouldn't you want to stay in your car for as long as you can until you have to get out of your car and look for food and water? Maybe, you know, some other people. But other than that, I mean, your car's going to give you shelter from the heat, from the cold, from the rain. It's pretty much going to be your shelter. Even the survival man said, hey, if you're stuck and your car breaks down, try to stay as long as you can in that car. It's going to be your best shelter that you know of. You don't have to go looking around for materials to go build a shelter. Your car is your shelter. It is your home on wheels for the moment. You know. Oh, would you like that? He actually gives you a little 26 centimeter ruler, which is only on one side. So in inches, I don't know. I don't use the metric system. It would be nice if he was like, hey, centimeters and, you know, standard, you know, ruler, but, I don't know. Let me pull out a standard ruler and see. 26 inches. Which would come to there. If we look at that, so if I actually put this like, let me try to line this up for you so we see how long it comes to. Wow, it comes a little bit more than 10.5 inches, nearly 11 inches, which is going to be somewhere around 26 centimeters. So if you're in inches, almost 11 inches on this piece of paper. which I'll just put like 11 inches so that I know. There's 11 inches and then do like inch, 3 inch, 5 inch, and then every so often write in, certain inch increments, so I know. But I don't have to say, oh, 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. I could be like, okay, there's where 1 inch, 2 inch, or there's where 1 inch, there's where 3 inches is, there's where 6 inches is, or 5, or so on and so forth to what I need it to be. All in all, this product has been a very big letdown. I would not carry this if I was in a survival situation. I would not even want to use this because this is not practical for a survival situation. I would never recommend this for EDC, for a butt out bed, an inch bed, a popular survival doom. There is plenty of other reasonable, affordable, better quality, better performance pocket knives out there. This is just pure garbage right here, which is really sad. Because you think a pocket knife would at least have somewhat halfway dealing with potential. This is just pure strip, overpriced, BS, comes out of the butt, garbage right here. Seriously, honestly, never, ever, ever buy this product. If it's on sale for a good price, maybe if you're a knife collector, but other than that, no. I could recommend thousands of other knives that are way better than this. This one, no, just God, no.